Good morning. Welcome to this weather update. Not much to talk about. A lot of our tropical action is non-existent and headed offshore. We're going to take a look at what is there still, which is a lot of activity, although it's simply out to sea. It's not going to affect USA land soil in terms of a direct impact. As you can see, we have this disturbance in the orange, this one in the red. We have the remnants of, well, not remnants, we still have a hurricane named Aaron. Winds at 90 miles per hour. So, again, the surf along New York City and the northeast coast, etc., are going to be increased. But the good news is this is moving offshore of the Carolinas, so the rip currents will slowly die down. Hopefully, you guys all stay safe from that live in that area. In the eastern Pacific, we have one disturbance with only a 50% chance of developing. And in the central Pacific, we are all in the clear. We are going to take a look at our severe weather. Today, nothing major with the exception of a little pocket of severe potential weather in the yellow there in Minnesota and the Dakotas. Other than that, we're all clear for the next 8 days. Now, subject to change, of course, and I'm sure it will, as that's what the forecast models usually do. I want to take a look at our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, because again, if you watched yesterday's video, you noticed that it's pretty cool. We're beginning to look a lot like fall here in the USA. Below average temperatures for the east, the middle of the country, and even parts of the west, days 8 through 14 and days 6 through 10. It's a very, very cool, and I will use the word cool to signify a below normal temperature pattern of a cold air mass relative to average over the USA. With that being said, we looked at the Jamstack yesterday, so I just wanted to give you guys a brief little update. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share my content for weather content, but most specifically for long range weather content. Thank you for watching and have a great day.